Jed here to demonstrate how to enable sound effects control for a user in GoTo Admin. With this control, attendees can choose whether to play sounds during the session. Quick reaction sound effects can be used during GoTo Connect, GoTo Meeting, or GoTo Webinar sessions. This is not a global setting and must be enabled for individual users. Also, this setting is disabled by default. View the video link in the description to see how sound effects are used in a session. You must be an admin or super admin to enable sound effects controls for a user in GoTo Admin. GoTo Admin can be accessed at this site. I've already signed in as the super admin, Lance Bingham. Take note of the left navigation menu. You may see different options here depending on your GoTo plan. Select People. If you are not there already, select Users. Here are your current users. Select the desired one. Click Settings. Depending on your user's licenses, you may see different options here. Even if you're using GoTo Connect or GoTo Webinar for your sessions, click Meetings. Select Attendee Experience. Click the Audio Reactions drop-down list. The first two options give users access to the feature and let you choose whether sound effects start on or off. In both cases, organizers can change this during the session. The final option removes user access, hiding the sound effects setting from their session controls. Click the Save button when you are ready to proceed. That's all there is to enabling sound effects controls for a user to use in a session with quick reactions. Thanks for watching the video. I've included links to other videos about GoTo's products and features. Be sure to subscribe to our channel.